Morning everybody, welcome to my channel Prahana Trading Hub and Academy. The market is about to open in another 2 minutes. This is the order flow chart I am using. And also in the meantime I will open TradingView also. The market is very simple provided you keep it simple. Don't complicate using all lag indicators and other indicators. You can only see the price action and trade. And the volume is important on which side. All these views are available on order flow charts. This is the daily chart of yesterday. Today the market is yet to start. It will start in about a minute. We shift to the daily chart now. Sorry, 5 minutes chart. This is the 5 minutes chart what you are seeing on the left side. The market was moving very sideways. The market is opened around 51,660 and there is a big gap up. And there is a lot of zero zone, so we are not taking any positions here. No big volume, as you can see, big volume is not there, and there are very few. The buyers and sellers are equal. You can see the cart 199 and 199 on both sides. Now the buyers are slightly increasing. You can see this in the number here: 200, 300, 321, 321, 321. This is how trading happens, and this is available only on. See the candle. What you see here is a big green candle. However, we have to wait and watch. For the first 3 minutes, I am not taking any trade. But see, only if there are big numbers coming in, I will be taking a trade. Now I will shift to the daily chart. And see what is happening on the daily chart. I think I have to close this and open again because the daily chart is not opening. Ninja Trader is the platform I am using. Here this is the 5 minute daily chart. Daily chart still it is not generated. I think it will be generated now. We will see. However, we'll move to the 5 minute chart. It will take a bit of time to load the data. The data is available from True Data. I am taking True Data data from TrueData.in, and they are providing good data without any lag. You can see the first candle. The first candle is very important. First 5 minute candle. There are big orders coming in, guys. There are very big orders coming in. So I will be after the third candle, I will take a position probably on the upside. This is only common sense trading. You can see the numbers and place the order based on the volume of the buyers and sellers. The buyers are 1600 and the sellers are only 500. So that is the reason I will be going long after a small dip now. I want a little bit of pullback for me to take position. I want a little bit of pullback to take position. So I am waiting for that pullback. However, the pullback can come in the next 5-minute candle also. So I will wait a little bit. There is a little bit of consolidation. This is a 1-minute chart here. But I am seeing big orders on the in the open action trade. This is the open action trade, guys. And it is very wonderful to see stacked buy orders. And these are all smart buyers. Some people simply complicate things without telling you what is happening. But these are all smart buyers, I'm telling you. And these are all buy orders, and this is all sell orders. You can see stacked orders. So altogether it is called stacked orders. Now I'm going to take a position with a stop loss of, I'm going to trade in options 51,400. Or I can even trade in 51,300. It is showing no respect and it is trying to break on the upside. However, we have to wait for it to cross the day high of first 5-minute candle day high. If it is going to give up, we are going to stop the trade. The trade is on the upside. And there is a strong resistance point. You can see the resistance line I have drawn based on the previous chart movements. There should be a breakout above that to take a trade on the long side. Second candle is not very clear, but if there is a dip, I will go on buying. Look at this. This is the point of control for now. This is the point of control. You can see the order here, 1030. A little bit of scalping can be done here for the put side. Scalping is trading at the surface for small gains, not big gains. Swing trading is something which you trade for the big movements. That is for 1 hour or 2 hours, something like that. Scalping is just trading for small gains like 10 points, 20 points, like that. The first candle is very big. Now I am waiting for the dip so that I can take position on the longer side. Yes, this is the way it goes. I am expecting the market to go like this. Next target should be 51,850. The first candle is very strong. However, the second candle is not strong enough. There is a little bit of pullback. I am waiting for the pullback to come till here, and then there should be a reversal. That is what I am expecting. So those who are watching the video stream, kindly like and subscribe, because we are spending a lot of time on this to educate people on trading with order flow, because plain charts, just as you see here, you cannot make out what is in the chart. You can see only one green candle, that's all. After that, there is nothing you can see. Market is slightly getting sold. First candle was very strong. However, I am waiting for the second candle and the third candle to close. I am waiting for a retracement and a pullback. I'm not seeing any big numbers. So the market will not go up until there are big numbers like what is happening in the first candle. The market is not giving any direction, but the direction is strong on the upside. The market usually goes in this pattern, and that is what kind of pattern that is exactly getting formed here. The market is getting stronger on the selling side, so there is some kind of retracement. So, but however, the market is strong. See, these people are smart buyers, so they don't want the market to go down. Even if it goes down, they know how to bring it back with big volumes. So we have to trade with a little bit of common sense that big people do not want to lose money. They only trap the retailers and make a lot of money. So we have to think like a millionaires and then trade. Now there is a pullback based on the Market is likely to reverse from this point. There are many strategies which you can trade, but we should not be in a hurry to make money and become millionaires all in a day. It is a game of mind game and game with patience. Those who have got a lot of patience will win the game. Market should reverse from here if it is not breaking the blue line here. This is acting as a support now. This line is acting as a support. This is the kind of resistance. Our market should pull back with big numbers now. The cart is reducing from 1016 to 64. Now it should turn into the green in the next candle and it should go up. That is what I am expecting based on my experience. To reverse from here is what I am seeing. So this is the first 15 minutes of open action trade, which I have given you clear insights about what is going to happen in the open action and with all evidence of order flow and other things. See, now that as I told you, the delta is shifting towards the, for people who are new, this is the delta. If the delta is red, it is supporting the, what you say, the sellers. If the delta is green, it is supporting the buyers. This is the cart and this is the cart ratio. The decimals CR means cart ratio. The other number what you see is cart. Cart means commitment of traders. This is the open action trade for the first 15 minutes and there ends the open action, and now the market will try to consolidate and then take its own course throughout the day. So open action will happen only for the first 15 minutes. If it continues, it can go all through the day, but currently the trend is, as I told you, the market should go in this pattern and we will see in which pattern it will go. But whatever I say is not like it should happen that way, because market will not listen to anybody. It will go in its own direction. And before trading, this is all for educational purposes, and before trading, take the advice of your financial advisor, SCBI certified. Whether you make loss or gain, it is better to consult your SCBI certified advisor, especially in equities and while trading stock market. The trend is again reversed towards the selling side, but I am still on the long side. We will see what will happen. Now I have taken a position for the long side, and it doesn't mean just because I have taken a position, it doesn't mean you have to take a position on the long side. I have got 51,400 and I am waiting for a upside move from here. Volume, keep the volume small in options trading if you have less capital. You should have enough capital. Only 10% or 15% of the capital can be used in option buying, and the remaining is money you can buy equities and you can keep it for a little bit of adjustments. I will leave the charts like this because I'm having a break for cleaning and breakfast. So I will be back in sometimes around 15 minutes, but the chart will be running. I am on the upside and the stop loss is this one. I have just taken a position somewhere here 51,700 and I have bought 51,400 call option for the week of the week. So I will be, my target is 51,860. Intermediate target is 51,800 because that is the, what you say, round figure, and there will be some kind of resistance there. The market is struggling to go down. It is finding it very difficult to go down. Otherwise, it should have fallen like a stone now. So it is very clear that the market will go up. These are all the things we should think while trading. If it has to go down, it has to go down like a stone. The first candle went up. That is the moment we are expecting after closing of this candle. If it crosses this first candle high, the market will go to 51,800. This is a futures chart. Right now, I am taking a break. And I'll be back soon. Back, guys. And just as I told you, the market is moving. However, my trade was hit the stop loss, and again I have taken a trade just now with the same stop loss. I have initiated a trade somewhere here, and my immediate target is this one. Remember that you should keep a very tight stop loss. I'm not talking about others. Some people give 10-point stop loss and 15 points target. That is not the way to trade, according to me. So this is for educational purposes only. So you keep that in mind. And whenever you take a trade, you should be concentrating on what is happening inside the candles. You should be watching the numbers. Zero zones are building up. See, this is the daily chart. There is some reloading here at 385 at this point. This is the point of action, the blue color. This is one reloading which is happening here, and there is one reloading here. When the market came down here, this was pushed up with this order, and now it is going up. If it breaks the day high, probably it will go up and break this high. My immediate target is that blue line, 51,755 or 50. The first day high candle is my immediate target. It touched and it is coming back. This is the way to trade, the simple way to trade. Just simply don't bounce into the trade, and if you can't see any red candles and if you can't see any loss in your portfolio, see, if you have taken a position here, naturally it will come down here, means it will show loss. So that does not mean the market is going down and crashing. You should have some patience and you should have some strategy in place. If the market comes here, what you should do? If the market comes here, what you should do? If the market breaks this point, what you should do? The market is trying to break that day's high, 1,770, I think is the day's high. This is the spot, not the futures. I am just watching for the heck of seeing the direction. This is the futures chart. $53,357 is the all-time high, and it should be crossing that in this month or now by the beginning of next month, because the market is very strong. There was a little bit of trapping here. That is what is happening in the resistance point also. I've still not covered my position. I have not put a stop loss, but you guys have to put a stop loss. See, the delta is green. It is plus 256. So it is supporting the buyers, although the buyers in this candle are less. The cart is commitment of traders is less because they are covering their positions. They are booking profit because it hit the day's high, almost the day's high. $50 if you get, that is a good trade. If you get 100 points or 150 points, that is a very good trade. Based on the numbers, you can trade, but with this kind of candles, you can make some 30 to 40 points on the and multiply it by the number of volume you take in the Banknifty. Number of lots. If you have any questions, kindly use the chat and you can use the chat window. The market still is not breaking this line, so it is refusing to go down. 51,695. Those who are watching, kindly like and subscribe so that I can come on a daily basis and teach you guys about OrderFlow. The market is trying to consolidate at that level because in a 6-hour trading session, it does not, it cannot keep going up for 6 hours and it cannot keep coming down for 6 hours. So it will manage in that range, going up and down. So we have to be consistent in trading with these people. These people are called smart buyers because they are buying now. Otherwise, it is called smart money people or the institutional buyers or sellers. So we should initiate a trade along with them and hold positions along with them so that we will be profited. We should not be trading like a retailer. We should be trading like smart money. That is the importance of trading, and we should think like we are having millions of dollars. Whether you have got 10,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees doesn't matter, because they are having close to more than 5,000 crores and something like that, and they sit there and place orders like this: 126 lots, 38 lots, 52 lots, 144, 33, 71. All these orders are smart money orders. So we will mark a range in that. This is the smart money range. So the smart money will not do not want the market to go down or go up against them. So they want to keep the market up. Whatever happens, they will try to push the market up or down in their favor. They are not worried about retailers, what they are doing and all those things. They only try to trap the retailers. Based on the daily candle, the market has to go up. But in the near stage, looking at the zero zones here, if it crosses this blue line, this is the daily candle, it will go down and break some more things. But the cart is supporting the side as of now. They're supporting the buyers. See, I'm not telling you any complicated things or complicated words to confuse you or anything like that. I am keeping it very simple. This is for beginners. I don't want to tell complicated words like so many things are there which will confuse you people. So I don't want to tell all those words. I will tell you in common layman language so that you can understand better. Also, I want to introduce, see, this money is called smart money range or demand range because they are buying it. Demand, when there is a demand, it is called, it is for buying. And when there is supply, enough supply, it is for selling. Supply means when there is lot of liquidity downside, it is called supply. When there is lot of liquidity on the upside, it is called demand. So it is demand and supply has to be equal for the market to go sideways. When the imbalance is more on the bids, on the demand or supply zone, it will break in that direction. But the imbalance is created with smart money buyers. Or smart money. It can be on the buying side or the selling side. It is trying to go in a flag pattern, but it has to break the flag pattern and go. Don't worry about the patterns. Don't worry about the numbers. Keep the patterns in mind. That is, it will go in a N pattern, M pattern, W pattern, all those things. But it can be clearly seen on the order flow charts. See, the first cart and cart ratio is 1600. The second one is 66. Immediately the market came down. So this is nothing but common sense trading. Looking at order flow. People who are watching, kindly subscribe to the video channel and like the video so that it will reach more people and I can make more videos and come live on a daily basis to help you guys. The market is moving in a very tight range. It has to break the flag pattern and it has to break the day's high or the day's low for the next level of trading. Now it is in between. Now I am at no loss, no gain, some 5 points profit. That's all. But don't race to make the money. If you are going behind making money, the money will not come to you. Money should come to you by itself. That is the smartness. It is trying to break the flag pattern, but we will see. I am not worried if the market is going sideways. When you buy deep in the money, when the strike is around 51,700, you can buy it 300 or 200. There will be not much of a decay, but you should buy it when the market is trending. The market is moving sideways now. The numbers are not supporting. These are all small spikes which are not tradable. But scalpers can do it, and this trading robots can do it. But I'm not interested to go for small trades. I can do swing trading rather than scalping. Market is moving in that range. You can watch the smart money range. There are no big sellers. The market is only going sideways. This is the smart money range here, and I am waiting for that to break out in a very clear basis. Keep it simple, don't worry much, and you should keep the trade also simple. If you have a capital of 1 lakh rupees and if you invest all the 1 lakh rupees in one trade, that is a very risky trade. If it doesn't come your way, or if it goes in the wrong direction, you will be a total loser. There will be no money for adjustment and there will be no money to carry up the trade. So you should be very careful in trading intraday. Investment and positional trades are altogether a different kind of game. This is like one day cricket, and positional trades and other long trades are like a test match. So that is the better way I can put it. So play slowly for long duration instead of fast and furious for a less duration. Those who are watching, kindly subscribe. Subscription is very important, and also so that you will get notification, and also press the bell button and get notifications. And telling that the market is going up 200%, 300% is all nonsense. They cannot tell you. They can only speculate. But based on order flow, the speculation percentage of success is more. That's all. It is not guaranteed. Because any new player can come in at any time and punch in big orders in the market, which will take the market in his direction. I'll wait for another 15 minutes or 10 minutes and then stop the live session because there is no much action. And when liquidity pours in, I will just stream in again. There are no much big orders either side, so you don't have to worry much. These are all candles which are having very less volume. See, the last candle, red candle, 5-minute candle, is having only 31 and 3 as caught here. So the trade is trying to consolidate in the smart money range, because the smart money people will keep absorbing orders. They won't let the market go down or up, and after some time they can push it in the opposite direction and pull it back after stop loss hunting. See, one order will come this like this. This is stop loss hunting happening here. It hit it and there is a large pullback and it turned into the red. Still it is trading in that smart money range, so there is no much. See, as I told you, the smart money people want to keep the market up. They do not want the market to go down below their positions, and they do not want to make loss. So if there is any person bigger with bigger amount than the existing smart buyers, only they can push the market down. So now it is going in a range. All the retail orders are absorbed by the smart buyers. They keep investing and buying small orders. But that first one is a stacked buy order. So after that also they keep buying consistently if there are strong sell orders to keep the market in that particular range. They put limit orders. They become passive buyers or sellers at that point. They put limit orders. Okay, guys, I'll stop the stream for now. But keep this in mind. Keep the numbers in mind. 51,720 or 710 should is act as support and resistance, and down below 51,640 is support, and above that 51,750 is resistance. In between the 51,720 and 700 is a smart money range. So I will come back when there is liquidity and watch if the candle will break this flag pattern. You can open your chart and use the triangle like this to form that flag pattern. You do not have to worry about candles like this because there are very less numbers. The market can go down also with less numbers if there are no much participants. However, thanks for watching, and come back again to watch the live stream. You will get the notification if you subscribe and press the bell button. Also, kindly invite your friends and share the link for them to watch the live order flow session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.